Right, today we got a creeping ground cedar. This is a very ancient plant. It's a member of the club moss group, which are fern relatives. They're these very tiny leaf-looking structures sticking up, connected by an underground rhizome, with root-like structures called rhizoids coming off of there, so they can get their nutrition and water from the soil. They're club moss, which is the name for these little clubs here, called strobili. Here's one just starting to form. This one has already formed and released its spores. Those spores will actually grow into a different type of plant called a gametophyte, which is very tiny. It produces sperm and egg cells. So they have to have flagellated sperm to swim over to the eggs, and they will fertilize into a 2-chromosome count form and produce these guys called the sporophyte. So going back from the gametophyte generation with one set of chromosomes to the diploid sporophyte form is called alternation of generations. All plants do this to a certain degree. But these guys are pretty primitive modern flowering plants. The only haploid forms are in the flowers. So when you look at a flower, it's actually an entire plant generation that is reduced to that one small part of the plant. And my nose is bleeding now, so I'm going to get going.